Hello, I'm Ilya from Eocortex, and today I will show you how to set up and use the replication server. First of all, we need to have a multi-server configuration. Then, to set up a replication server, we need to get it free from all the cameras and also the backup cameras. So this server won't be responsible for recording the video streams, managing them, and also it can't be used as a backup server. So this server will be responsible only for the replication. To use it as a replication server, we need to select this server and then go to the information and enable the replication. Here we can also open the settings for the replication, and we can configure the values of days. For example, not replicating the archive older than 14 days and newer than, for example, 1 day. This means that all the newest recordings that are less than 1 day won't be replicated, as well as the recordings older than 14 days. So it can be used for some situations when you don't want to load the network by the replicating of the two new recordings, or as well you just configured the replication server and you don't need to replicate the oldest recordings. Then you can configure the schedule for the recordings by days and also by time. For example, you can disable the replication during the week and configure it only during the weekend, and configure the time for that, for example, to start only at 11 a.m. and till 8 o'clock. So that means that the network will be used only during the night for the replication. Let's apply the configuration, and then we need to select which cameras will be replicated. So we go to General Settings, Cameras, and here we select the server 1 as a replicating for the cameras that we want to replicate. So not all the channels will be replicated, but only that you want to replicate. So you select, and we have a main server for the recordings and replicating server for that. Then we apply the settings, and here we are. Now the server 1 is replicating these recordings, and in the client application, the client won't see that there is a replicating server. He will just see the recordings. Replication is a function that helps you to raise the redundancy, because all the recordings are duplicated on a separate server, and also this can help you to raise the depth of the archive if you have a large storage on this separate server. So today we knew how to set up and use the replication server. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.